This video answers how to buy shares of Nautilus Biotechnology Inc. and shows the steps to find NAUT. Nautilus is a biotech company working on single-molecule proteomics. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker NAUT, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy NAUT, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds to place a purchase. Use the eToro search bar and type the ticker NAUT to locate Nautilus Biotechnology Inc. Select the matching listing to ensure you are on the correct company page. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to understand recent activity. Confirm the NASDAQ listing and the ticker NAUT so you are certain it is the right stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details carefully, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may queue until it reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the order is executed. For convenience, the eToro link is provided in the description. And remember, this is educational content, not investment advice.